when you create a YouTube strategy, you have to start where you are with what you have, and it has to be something you can commit to. That's the key. When I started my YouTube show, I did not have the skills to create a YouTube show. My schedule was full from morning until night. And then to add in another few hours a day where I'm going to record a show and I'm going to edit a show and I'm going to do the search engine optimization and I'm going to add in affiliate links and I'm going to upload it, all these things take a lot of time. But when you make that commitment every single day, what happens is you start saying no to other things in your life. And so if you're going to be successful, for everything you say yes to, you have to say no to other things. So all the things that were not my top priority started dropping off my list as I started laser focusing in on my strategy. And then what happened is as I started laser focusing my strategy, all the other elements started falling in place. When you create a YouTube show every single day, you cannot help but learn audio editing, and you cannot help but learn video lighting and video camera elements. And then you can start adding in B-roll, and then you can start adding in photography and different things that will help you tell a better story. And my goal was every day that we produce a show, I want to get better than yesterday's show. We're awful in the beginning. In my early shows, they are so awful. They are just rotten. But every day we got a little bit better. And every day we're still getting better. Stuff that I see 2 months ago, I'm like, is that the best we can do? Because we're so much better now, you know?